Malware analyst analyzes all types of malware to learn more about how they work and what they do. Pretty cool job. A malware analyst's work involves analyzing suspicious programs, discovering what they do, and returning reports about their findings. Malware analyst is sometimes called a reverse engineer, as their core task revolves around converting compiled programs from machine language to readable code, usually in a low-level language. This work requires the malware analyst to have strong programming background, especially in low-level languages such as assembly language and C language. The ultimate goal is to learn about all the activities that a malicious program carries out, find out how to detect it and report it, responsibilities, carry out static analysis of malicious programs, which entails reverse engineering, conduct dynamic analysis of malware samples by observing their activities in a controlled environment, and document and report all findings. Cool.